Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we'll be learning about loops, for loops, while loops, and all different kinds of loops in Python. Yeah. So loops are very important. You can just, so in the first lesson we learned how to print. Okay, so we can just print things, right? Like print hello. So okay, first of all, I'm using the Python shell. What is the Python shell? How I'll be getting it. So if you have installed Python according to my instructions in the first video of this playlist, the Let's Python playlist, I have told you how to install Python, how to download Python. There are some comments about the problems some people are facing, but I recommend you to refer the official guide and download the correct version of Python which is appropriate for your system. After downloading Python, you can go to the search bar, start whatever you are using, and just type IDLE, and on clicking on idle, it will open up this shell. This is a Python shell for just easy. I'll show you what it is. Okay, so today we'll be learning about loops. So we can just keep on printing things, and so just keep on printing things. Suppose you are in a program and you keep on printing just like 1, 2, 3. So it easily increases the length of the program. So I guess most of you know what's a loop and why do you need it to do the same task multiple times. So today I'll be showing you about using loops in Python. So let's jump in. So the for loop, the perfect syntax for a for loop is this. Okay, let me just increase the font size so that it's easier for you to look into the screen. I guess it's visible now, right? So for a for loop, you can just write for any variable, say variable name. I'm just writing it variable name. You can replace anything in this place, and after that in range. Then how many times, see they are telling you the stop, you have to put the stop at least. You can put the start, stop and the step, anything. So let me just put 10. Okay, let's put 5, and I'm gonna say print yo. Okay, and then you come back here and enter. So you can see that this has been printed 5 times, right? So basically why it's happening 5 times, let's understand it. The range takes at max 3 parameters, right? So this takes at max 3 parameters. So if I write 1, 2, 5, and let me just print the var name. So var name takes the value in the range. So actually this range creates a list of numbers according to what you have specified here. It creates a list of numbers, and the in operator is used to go through that list, and each and every item of the list is assigned to the var name one by one in every iteration of the for loop. So you can just print var name and you'll see it's 1 to 4. Now the question is why 1 to 4? So basically how the loop runs is, this is the start index. So basically see, let me just print the what happens here. So the start index, the stop index, and let me say this is the, okay, let me make it 10, and this is 2. So as you can see, I have made the start point to be 1, the end point to be 10, and the step size to be 2. I hope you understand what is the step size. So the step size means the jumping, the increment, as we write in other languages, I plus plus, I equals to I plus 2, I equals to I plus 3. So that is this is the step size, and this is how we increment. So I guess you will understand what this returns. This will return a list of integers from 1 to 10, jumping 2 steps at a time. So as you can see, it's 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, something like that, right? So why didn't it go to 10? Because 1 plus 2 is 3, then 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, like that. So as you can see, this range returns an object. Okay, so this range returns an object. So this is an object. So how do you understand this is an object? Okay, so 1 second, let me just scroll up. Sorry. So I gotta restart my shell, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, so there was basically I was not getting some space in this, so I minimized the window so that it's easier for me to record. Yeah. So where I was actually showing you what range is. So as you can see, this range returns a range, and this is an object. So you can understand what it is by writing type of and then printing it out. Sorry, it's type. I'm sorry. I got missed. Okay, so as you can see, this returns class range. So this is actually a range type object. This is an object of the range class, so you can say it's a range type object. And once you convert it to list, you print the list. So basically, for each value in this thing, print each value, right? Okay, let me just write it out. Cool. So by the way, I'll show you another thing, how you can modify your print statements. It's like this. So basically you can pass it another parameter called end, and just put a comma here. That means each print will end with a comma. So let's check it out. Cool, right? So that's how for loop works, basically, with a start and a stop and a step size. For any questions, you can definitely put in the comment section, and let's understand how a while loop works. So basically, while loop takes just one parameter. Say let me just define a parameter x5, and while x is greater than 0, you can just do x minus equals to 1. I hope you know what's minus equals to 1. This is just same as x equals to x minus 1, and then you just do print x. That's it. So what is happening? X is initially 5, x is entering this while loop, and x is decrementing by 1, so x becomes 4 and it's printed. Again x becomes 3 and printed, x becomes 2 and printed, x becomes 1 and printed. When x becomes 0 and this tries to enter this loop, 0 is not greater than 0, so it's printed. So that's how a while loop works, and it's very easy. So I guess you understood. For any more doubts and queries, definitely feel free to ask in the comment section, and I'll reach you out. So till then, wait till the next video, next lesson. Sorry about the inconsistency. I was running through some problems personally, so I hope I'll be pushing more content now. So all the best, good luck, keep learning Python. It's a great language, and till the next video, bye bye, take care.